The iPhone 15 will apparently undergo some significant improvements from Apple that might render Android obsolete. Apple will finally employ USB-C for the iPhone 15, according to a reputable analyst named Ming-Chi Kuo. This means you can charge your MacBook, iPad, and iPhone with the same cable. Because USB-C is speedier, more adaptable, and more universal than Lightning, this is a major problem. It also means that you may use your iPhone with peripherals like external displays, keyboards, and storage units, but that's not all. If you're wondering how Apple will fit a bigger battery in the same size phone, they have a trick up their sleeves. Kuo also claims that Apple will increase the battery capacity of the iPhone 15 by a whopping 10%, which means you can anticipate longer battery life, quicker charging, and better performance from your iPhone. Softboard batteries, which are smaller and more flexible than traditional batteries, seem to be the new technology that Apple will use. They will be able to reduce the size and weight of the phone while simultaneously increasing efficiency and heat dissipation. Although certain AirPods versions currently employ softboard batteries, this will be the first time an iPhone is used. How does this affect Android, then? It's possible that the next generation of Apple products will be able to outperform the competition thanks to the fact that they are both based in the United States. Despite having USB-C for years, Android phones still fall short of Apple in terms of performance and battery management. While some Android phones have larger batteries than the iPhone, they also have larger displays and faster refresh rates, which use more power. For Apple aficionados, the iPhone May 15th represent the largest improvement to date, but it will be a nightmare for Android users. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.